Okay, so most of the people think that building a landing page is hard. But yesterday, I built the first 2 versions of a landing page for my friend on the free Lovable account in under just 10 minutes. Most of the people have the experience, the talents, and the passion going into the world. They just don't have a place online that can show everyone who they are clearly and in one snapshot. So in this video, I'm going to show you a real world example that yesterday how I helped my friend to build her landing page quickly. And today I'm coming back to use the extra 5 free credit using agent mode as well to review the website. This is what vibe coding really is about when you're building for a real person. Let's dive in. Yesterday, I was chatting with a friend. She's an actress, she's an MMA commentator, she's a fighter, she's a martial artist. And just one of those people, once you understand the full spectrum of what they do, you'll be like, wow, that's impressive. But like a lot of people, she doesn't have a clean space online to list out everything that she's passionate about and what she does. And I think this is becoming more and more common, especially if you do more than one thing. Especially when you are in a conversation and the more you talk to other people, the more people feel like, wow, I didn't know you're also doing that. But I don't know how to describe it. That's how you know you need an online space for everything about you. Not everyone needs a full site of 5 different tabs. Not everyone needs a blog, a newsletter, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, a podcast. But more and more people do need is one place that have everything about them cleanly and with clarity. That page should say something like, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is what I'm passionate about, and this is how you can connect with me to build things and work on things together. Most of the people think, oh, I need a designer, I need a software engineer, I need to learn how to do Webflow, I need to use Wix, I need to use Squarespace, I need to use this and that, I need to have so many things I need to learn, and then they stop there. But in 2026, with all the AI tools, the bottleneck in the past is no longer a bottleneck anymore. The bottleneck is clarity. It's translating who you really are into something that everyone can see clearly and with visibility, which can be solved with today's AI tools if you use them properly. Nowadays, I use vibe coding to build all of my different websites across my business, my startup, and my own online content. And this is the video with a continuation of previous vibe coding videos that I have in this channel. With technology improvement, nowadays, actually do not need that many credits to do a proper website. Like yesterday with my friend Vanessa, she already have an online presence. She already have an IMDb profile. She already have links here and there, which can be easily taken by just a simple prompt. So in those moments, I think it's okay to move fast. Yesterday, basically what I did is on a free account, under 10 minutes with 2 prompts, and I have the first 2 versions ready. Currently, I use the thinking mode, but I think if you just use auto or the latest version, whatever that you have available on your ChatGPT account or whatever AI tool that you have right now, it should be similar. I was like, I want to create this landing page for my friend, and I share an existing page that's on her IMDb. It says she's a great actress, do necessary research, please. And then after maybe 47 seconds, it come out with all the one-page structure, suggested visual direction for the Lovable, blah, 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 because it asked me about a question. Is this indeed Vanessa Campos? I didn't even give the last name. And then I was like, yes, it is her. I want to help her create a landing page that represents her well with the 2026 design ethos. Can you start a PRD? But basically, I can share with her in case she wanted to use herself and a prompt that I can put into Lovable. I'm also thinking it's worthwhile putting all the links that's relevant to her, and this is her IG. I only give 1 link. And the next 28 seconds, within 2 minutes again, ChatGPT come back with a master prompt and a follow-up refinement prompt. I went back to Lovable. This is my free account. Every day I only have 5 credits. So I used this 5 credit yesterday. I started this new project. This is the first prompt. And after the first prompt, you can see it gave me a plan, and then I preview it. This is the first version. It has everything all in one place. Mind you, it's less than 5 minutes, right? So you have about, you have work, you have media, and skills, and contact. Basically better than most of 90% of the things online. And I showed it to Vanessa. She really loves it. She's like, where screen, ring, and broadcast converge. It really feels like her. And then because ChatGPT also gave me refinement prompt, so I just copied this prompt into Lovable and say, refine the current structure here. And then it thought for 7 seconds. Now I have the latest page. It's much more, you can tell it actually has put into some thoughts about is it perfect? No. But does it have to be perfect? It's just the first 2 versions, right? So what I'm gonna do today together with you is I am going to ask ChatGPT, put on the agent mode and review the website. And it's not about endless tweaking. It's about what is the highest leverage refinement you can do with just 5 credits. Do we want the viewer to feel when they get onto this website? Let's see, we can connect to the agent mode. And then I will put in Lovable here. We give the context, review in 3 lenses, clarity, credibility, and conversion. Positioning immediately clear. Does the page feel premium and distinctive rather than generic? Is it obvious that what someone should do next? And suggest top 3 highest leverage improvement. Do not suggest a full redesign. Prioritize changes worth spending limited Lovable credits on. And I have here, this is the project page. Warming up. My favorite time is to wait for AI to do the work. Preparing to review landing page. They said the skill chips are good, but the contrast is still a bit low, possibly due to the dark background. Oh, quick, less than 1 minute. Here are top 3 high leverage improvement I'd prioritize. No redesign. Increase readability, read the hero immediately, distinctive. Tighten the main CTA path and keep it visible. Amazing. Can you go to Lovable and implement these changes? There are 2 ways you can do it if you're already connected to agent mode just for fun. I would just say that, yeah, go to Lovable project and do these kind of changes. Or if you're one of those people, you want to see the suggestion first, you can ask, oh, give me the prompt. I can copy it over to Lovable and use the plan mode, and Lovable will be doing it for you. But here you can see it's already doing the prompt, made the readables stronger, and it's not one-to-one copy paste from the suggestions you give it to me. Basically here, and you can see show more, and then now Lovable start to work. Done. I pushed the update instruction into Lovable, so we applied the 3 improvements. To actually make the hero immediately distinctive, you might want to drop a high quality portrait or action still for the hero background image. Let's see how many credits we've only used 4.4 credits. What? I don't think they has implement all the changes. So let's go again. We still have 4.4 credits left. Let's improve and refine it so we can use all the changes. I'm considering how to effectively use the remaining credits and refine the task. I also need to prepare for a suitable photo for her background, ensuring it aligns with the user's request. So now it's done again. Increase the desktop readability, making the conversion path a proper hero background, but I'm not going to pick a stock or random photo since this is a personal landing page. We use another 1 credit again. Okay, can you give me a prompt to go back to Lovable? So I will upload let's go back to the IMDb page so we can find the photo of her. This one. I'll copy this prompt. Yeah. And then, yes, we have it. Now it has this background. I think it's not very good because it is not very readable. So I decided to upload 2 photos of Vanessa, and we will let Lovable to decide what to do. And then it's gonna start working. Copy the photo. I think it's done. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. Yes. Look at this. I'm gonna hand it over this website for her to be honest. But I don't think this is the final version for her. And you can see this is After yesterday, we have 5 credit. Today, we use another 3.8 credit. This is after 8.8 free credit on a free account. Yesterday, maybe 20 minutes. Today, 20 minutes again. And this is what you get. This is the after version after the refinement. Version 2 yesterday after 20 minutes. So you can see it's a clean website already. And today, after our refinement, it looks like this. And then we have this for the mobile version because we have uploaded 2 photos. Now, this is like a game changer, I think. And I like the design of the logo. You can see that you don't need that many credits for it to change and refine a website. And also, you don't need to be a software engineer to be able to instruct the AI to help you do the work. Basically, the AI is your software engineer, is your designer, is your people. What you do really need to do is you have a vision about what kind of story that you want to tell. You wanted to know about the taste. How does it look like for you as a personal landing page? The bigger lesson here is not really about Vanessa's page. It's about you need an online space to host everything about you. I think this is really the cleanest use case for vibe coding now in 2026. If you only take one thing from this video, let it be this. People think this is harder than it actually is. Yesterday, it took me a free account, less than 5 credit in less than 10 minutes to build to version 2. Today, it's just refinement. So no, you don't have to be a software engineer. And no, you don't need to know how to code. And you definitely do not need to overcomplicate this. I'm going to share the prompt and the process, the procedure in the show notes, and an interactive prompt page under my Future Lab, under my Day Zero production website, which you can also check out. In this channel, I share a lot more about AI life design. How do I use AI to make my life better, more efficient, and easier as a founder, as a content creator, and as an entrepreneur. I'll see you in the next video.